Growing up, my house was surrounded by trees, and we had a forest nearby. We played, discovered all kinds of foresty things like moss and wild mushrooms. Don't eat that. Got dirty, felt alive, and connected with Mother Nature. But at my parents' house, there was no tree that was my tree. Why didn't my parents plant a tree the year I was born? Or maybe with me when I was a little girl? So the tree and I would grow simultaneously, and now the tree would be, well, big, all adult and stuff. Hey, I'm an adult most of the time. Do I need to even mention how much we really, actually need trees? Let me just remind you, trees and humans have an amazing interdependent relationship. Humans breathe in oxygen, out carbon dioxide. Trees take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen into the atmosphere. Wow, Mother Nature is smart, a genius even. Wonder if we can test her IQ. Notice how you feel when you are outside with trees. The forest. Think about it. All the vibrant colors jumping to catch your eyes, the dappled sunlight dancing, the smell, fresh, green. How can green be a smell? It is. The feel of a cool breeze on your skin, the sound of insects chittering, birds singing, the rustling of leaves. Feels delicious, right? Alive, tingly, goosebumpy. Now think about the last time you were in a room inside, no windows, fluorescent lights with stale, recycled air. Blech. Trees. Trees are the antidote to blech, the cure for the stuck-inside blues. Hold up. Did you know that trees talk to each other? Well, in their own language. They communicate through their root systems, which are remarkably similar to the way the human brain works. According to the Harvard blog, when scientists first studied the structure of nerve cells that comprise the human brain, they noted their strong resemblance to trees. Dendrites, the term to describe projections from a nerve cell, comes from the Greek word dendron for tree. While the connection in the appearance of nerve cells was made to trees, the comparison may have been more apt than originally realized. Scientists are starting to uncover that trees have their own sort of nervous system that is capable of facilitating tree communication, memory, and learning. No wonder hippies have been hugging trees for decades. They're capable of communication, memory, and learning. Like humans, we communicate, we remember, we learn. If you have kids, you probably feel scared about their future. I'm scared for the future of our children. There are more fires, hurricanes, and natural disasters than ever before in recorded history. Plus, there's so much trash and pollution. It's easy to feel overwhelmed and uncertain in what to do. According to a recent Yale University study, Earth loses over 15 billion trees per year, and we've lost over 45% of the trees on Earth since mankind began cutting them down. 45%! Humans use trees for everything. Most of our houses are made of trees. We make and use so many things with trees, though breathing might be my favorite thing to do with trees, especially since it doesn't require cutting the tree down. But I think this kid explains it better.
Books. Bookcases. Baseball bats. Birthday cards. Cartons. Coffee filter. Cardboard boxes, coffee tables, gift wrap, printer paper, toilet paper, porch swings, photo frames, hockey sticks, drumsticks, toothpicks, chopsticks, rubber gloves, doors, picnic tables, rulers, golf tees, cutting boards, yo-yos, ping pong paddles, trays, popsicle sticks, checkbook, pizza boxes, wallpaper, envelopes, rolling pins, catalogs. Are we done yet? Grocery bags, salad bowls, and rake handles. The average American uses 7 trees per year in paper, wood, and other products made from trees. That's insane. Pay it forward.
Well, guess what? There's a nonprofit company that had the idea to give free trees to kids so they could grow together. They've been giving kids their very own tree for free for the past 12 years. What? Yep. Neighborhood Forest gives free trees to kids through local schools, youth groups, and libraries. Free trees! How cool is that? How? Neighborhood Forest gets donations from people like you and me and corporations and uses those donations to give free trees to kids. If you make this face when you hear the word corporation, Just think about it this way. If a forest is made up of a bunch of trees, a corporation is made up of a bunch of humans. And as far as I know, all humans need oxygen to breathe. For years, Neighborhood Forest has sent an average of 5,000 trees a year. This year, Neighborhood Forest unexpectedly went viral and got an order for 18,500 trees to be planted by kids and their families in 35 states during Earth Week. That's soon. Neighborhood Forest needs our help to get those free trees to kids so we can grow together. Donating to Neighborhood Forest is one of the best things you can do to ensure you, your friends, family, colleagues, and children will be able to breathe for the foreseeable future. Big and small, we are grateful for all.
I love trees. Trees are the bee's knees. Do bees have knees? I don't know, but I love trees. Trees are necessary for life. They give oxygen, have no strife. They even talk through their roots, interconnected, they're in cahoots with all living things, spreading hope, giving wings for a tomorrow that'll be a safer place for you and me. 'Cause I love trees. Trees are the bee's knees. Do bees have knees? I don't know, but I love trees. Do bees have knees? I don't know, but I love trees. Do bees have knees? I don't know, but I love trees.